Now we are going to see the clipper and clamper circuit. The aim is to construct and design the clipper and clamper using the diode at the frequency of 1 kHz. The circuit diagram consists of resistance, diode and power supply unit, capacitance, and if we do the experiment in the hardware we need the breadboard, or else we need the simulation tool software such as Multisim or PSpice. We are going to see here using the Multisim Live software. This is the design procedure. We can assign the value of certain parameters and we have to calculate the value of C. Here we assume the value of R1 equal to 10 kilo ohm and R2 is equal to 100 kilo ohm, and we calculate the value C1 as a 25 picofarad. If we take R1 as 10 kilo ohm, using this relationship we can calculate the value of R2 as a 100 kilo ohm, and we can take C1 as a 25 picofarad. Using this value we can design the diode circuit, clipper as well as clamper circuit. See, this is the clipper circuit. This is a biased positive clipper circuit. Since here positive terminal is connected to this resistance combination and diode is connected here. Okay, it is called as positive clipper. Here is a cathode, here is a anode. We are giving using FG and input sinusoidal signal, and it will clip by means of this biasing voltage 2 volt. Okay, see, the input wave is a sinusoidal waveform and the output wave is clipped to a some voltage. See, clipped to a some voltage. See, this is the input waveform and this is the output waveform. Since positive side is clipped, some voltage is clipped in the positive half cycle, hence it is called as positive clamper. When will it will be clipped? When the input voltage is greater than the reference voltage, the positive which will be clipped off. Here we take the reference voltage as 2 volt. When this 5 volt, when this input voltage becomes greater than the 2 volt, it will clip. See, consider this voltage as 2 volt. If the input waveform is greater than this 2 volt, it gets clipped to the 2 volt. Okay, the formula is V input is greater than the reference voltage will produce clipping. Similarly, we can take for the negative clipping also. We can take for the negative clipping. We have to just connect the diode in the inverse mode and the battery is also in inverse. Here is anode, here is cathode, and this is minus terminal and positive terminal. Now we will get the clipping output at the bottom side, that is the negative clipper. Okay, see, in this it is a negative clipper when the V input is less than the V reference. Here we take V reference as a -2. Okay, when the input is less than the um, -2, then it will get clipped. Okay, this is -2 and above it will get clipped. If it is less than, it will allow. Okay. Okay, then theory about the clipper. Clipper is a circuit that removes either a positive part of the signal or negative part of the waveform. Positive clipper will clip only at the positive part, and the negative part will produces the same output. Similarly, for negative clipper, it will clip the signal at the negative half cycle and produce the positive as the same. Clipping circuit is also used in voltage limiter, current limiter, amplitude selector, slicer. Similarly, clamper. A clamper is a circuit which converts DC voltage. A circuit that adds the DC voltage to a particular signal. A positive clipper shifts the AC reference value up to a DC signal. Suppose a 2 volt can be plotted in the graph with the value of minus 2 volt and plus 2 volt at the positive side as well as negative side. This AC signal will be clipped to the 4 volt when we obtain the clamper output. From this reference line 0, it will take the 4 value. From minus 2 to plus 2, it will shift to 0 to 4 at the output side. Okay. Now we can see the working principle. During the positive half cycle, the diode will turn on and it will act as when the diode is on, it will be short circuit. If it is off, it will be open circuit. Okay, practically the diode voltage is 0.7 volt. It will start conducting and produces the output. On negative half cycle, the diode will be open. Hence, at the negative half cycle, we will get the uh, output. Okay, the application is it can be used in wave shaping circuit as well as sensitive circuit. Okay, next about the clamper. Here capacitance is connected here and a diode is connected in this side. Okay, resistance is connected in parallel manner and input FFG, output is CRO, and this is the positive clipper. This is the input waveform. If we can take this as -2 and +2, then it will get shifted upwards. Okay, see, this is reference line 0, it shift upwards. That is, it for an AC signal it produces DC voltage. You can take this as -2 +2 sinusoidal waveform. Here it is similar taken as a 4 volt. Similarly, for a negative clamper, it will shift below the reference line. So this is negative clamper. Here the diode is connected in the reverse direction. Inputs waveform. This is the reference line and the waveform is shifted downwards. That is -4 volt. Okay, the diode direction is inverted. This is the difference between the negative clamper as well as positive clamper. Now we can see the simulation output for the clipper as well as clamper. See, this is the diode clipper schematic diagram. It will clip the pot of the waveform. It will clip the pot of the waveform. In this diagram, they have shown the two-side clipper, that is clipping at the positive side also as well as clipping at the negative side also. Okay, above 50 millivolts is also clipped, as well as here the voltage is not given, therefore the negative clipping is not performed here. Okay, so if we give some voltage value here, then negative clipping will also be there. Okay, for positive clipping we can avoid this particular area. For negative clipping we can avoid this connection. Okay, see, this is the input waveform and it is clipped at the positive side. Okay, similarly, if we give the voltage value at this point, it will also clip at the negative side. This is the two-level clipper circuit diagram. Similarly, for clamper, see capacitance value diode, reference voltage is 0.7 voltage. Okay, see, the input waveform is a sinusoidal waveform 5 volt. Then it should be lies between the -2.5 to +2.5. But at output side it is from 0 to 5. We can change the scale and see the output. Okay, it lies between 0 to 5 volt. This is the output for the clamper. If we invert the diode, we can get the negative side, that is negative clamper. Thank you.